Welcome to Configuring Network Access and Services in Windows Server 2012. I'm Ammon Weesey, and here with me again is Jeff Hansen, and we really are excited to be your instructors for this course. Now in this course, we're going to look at the configuration of network access and services in Windows Server 2012. We're going to begin with the configuration of the domain name system, or DNS. DNS is a critical network access role in any Active Directory environment.
That's right. And Ammon, you know administrators for Windows Server 2012 need to be familiar with the various components involved with DNS, as well as with the maintenance of DNS. Then we will look at configuring virtual private networks and utilizing Windows Server 2012 machines as VPN servers, network address translation servers, and even the ability to function as a network router. An additional option that is available in Windows Server 2012 is the ability to configure a Windows Server machine as a direct access server. Direct access will serve as a replacement for traditional virtual private networks for Windows 7 clients and beyond. Now, as a network administrator working with Windows Server 2012, it is vitally important to understand these network access and services and be able to administer them efficiently. Now, in this chapter, we will be looking at configuring DNS, the domain name system. DNS is critical in any Windows environment that utilizes Active Directory for a couple of different reasons. And because of this requirement, as administrators, we must be familiar with the functionality provided by DNS, as well as to be able to configure and manage DNS servers.
That's right, Jeff. Also in this chapter, we're going to begin with the overview of the domain name system and its various components. And then we're going to move into configuring the servers as a whole and the zones, as well as the individual resource records that are used for name resolutions. And then I think finally we'll look at the various tasks that are involved in regards to maintaining the DNS database and the information that it contains. Knowledge of this information will help you along the way as you manage Windows Server 2012 environments.